If you had invested $1,000 in Tesla only a year ago, you would have $10,000 today. But Tesla is not the only company that had crazy returns. Dozens of others would have made you a lot of money. What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mehdi, and today I will show you how to buy stocks using nothing else but your phone. So last year I decided to create content on investing and how to grow your wealth, and I posted this content on TikTok. Now I wanted to do more detailed videos, and this is why I'm creating this YouTube channel. So for my first video, I wanted to respond to a question that people ask me all the time: how do I start investing? So a great place to start investing as a beginner is actually buying stocks in a stock market. So let me show you how easy it is to buy stocks and why you need to start as soon as possible. There are two parts in this video. In the first one, I will show you how to make money buying stocks. I will cover capital gains and dividends. In the second part, we will buy $1,000 worth of share together so you can get a real life example. So how can you make money buying stocks, and why should you? So when you buy shares of a company, you're becoming part owner of this company with thousands of other people. So now you can decide to keep these shares for the short term, or you can have a long-term approach. Both methods have the same goal: to make money. And there are two main ways to make money when buying stocks. So the first one is capital gains. For instance, if you buy a share of a company at a price of $100 and sold it when it reached $150, then you made a capital gain of $50. It's very simple to calculate. Your profit is the difference between what you paid for it and what you sell it for. The second one is dividends. If you buy shares of a company that is profitable, then management may decide to distribute a part of the profit to the shareholders to thank them for investing in the company. If a company say will be paying $5 per share and you own 100 shares, then they will pay you $500 just to own the shares. Dividends are a form of passive income where you don't have to do anything but hold shares of this company in your investment portfolio to make money. Okay, so now let's buy some shares together. The first step of buying stocks in a company is to actually create an account with an online broker. Depending on where you are in the world, you will have to research the best broker for you. I'm based in Sydney, Australia, and to buy US shares, I'm using Stake, and for Australian shares, I'm using ComSec. Once you have verified your identity and your account is up and running, you will need to transfer funds into this account to start buying shares. Now you're ready to start buying shares of company you like and believe will perform well. So this is what you need to do. Open the app of your broker. And this is, by the way, the same process if you do it on your computer. Once you open the app, then you need to select the company you're interested in. Let's say you like Apple. You need to decide the quantity. For this example, we'll buy 10 shares. Then you need to choose the price you want, and this can be the tricky part. The bid is the price at which someone is willing to buy the shares. The ask is the price at which they're willing to sell. So you can buy the current market price, which is the ask price, or you can set up a limit price, which is the price you would like to buy these shares at. If the price of the share hits your target, then your broker will automatically buy the stock for you. That's it. You're now an investor. In this video, I wanted to show you how easy it is to buy stocks because people in general think it's more complicated than it is. I hope you guys enjoyed my first YouTube video. In the second video, I will cover how to identify a good stock to invest in and how to do the research. So if you thought the video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and if you have any question, hit me up in the comments. Peace!